from Lidl Trek in the mixer. That's a big... Oh, it looks like Van Aert is down as well on the bottom of your screen.
Yeah, well, we didn't see that up front. I'm hoping that they're okay. But there's a few as well from Lidl Trek. Let's have a look. So this must have been up towards the front. That is a huge tear, and that is a man just struggling to get his breath. He's gone down hard. That's going to knock the stuffing out of him. That's Lidl Trek. How many? 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. That is terrible for Wout van Aert. And look how long he's actually gone along the paving. You can see that tarmac scar upon him. And there's a few others here. Jesper Stuyven is on the deck and he's down there in tears. No surprise at all. That's Mads Pedersen just taking his helmet off right now. Biniam Girmay is also on the deck here. This is absolute nightmarish. Vermeersch has also been caught out. This has been a huge swathe of the favourites that have been cut down, I'm afraid. Harry Sweeney up just